Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have the Elite Mar X. This is essentially part 2 to a previous repair. It was one where we had replaced the heating element and did some other work onto it. Um, uh, we found that the pump in that previous video, when pulling a shot, the pump gauge wasn't actually working. Um, So we ended up replacing the gauge itself, because typically the issue when one of the gauges isn't working is that it's just a clogged capillary tube, which is just this little tube right here. It has a very small opening. You can see there's already a little bit of scale in the way, so sometimes it just clogs like that. But it turns out that there was actually a clear path through the capillary tube, and it was the gauge itself that was malfunctioning. You can see that on the bottom, or the pump side, there is a buildup of scale. That might be difficult to see. There is a buildup of scale in there, and that probably caused the malfunction. So we ended up replacing the gauge, and we also just replaced the capillary tube because it's cheap, and it's just nice to have that extra. These things are delicate. I was messing about with it. It's nice to just replace the tube itself. So we have that replaced. So you can see we have the steam gauge. It's working. You might have noticed a second ago the pump turned on. You saw that turn on. But to more clearly demonstrate, I'm just going to run the pump. I have a blind portafilter in here. Blind basket in here. So it should go up to 9 bars and stay about there. Okay. That's a little high. I'll just adjust the OPV for that. But as you can see, the gauge is working as you'd expect. You see it drop back down to 0. Alright, that's about it. Thank you for watching.